backside entire.
I see.
Here only. So everything is
Set.
set.
Okay. So whatever huge volume comes, you can make it
Yeah,
up.
I can make it.
Only thing you need much labor.
Yes,
Okay.
manpower.
How is the manpower available here?
No, that is very difficult.
That's one another businessman.
Yes.
Everybody in every field, in every state, and every
Yes.
country, this is a problem now.
This is the problem.
So where is it going to saturate? If we are having such kind of labor problems day to day, how is it going to be saturated, or how is it going to be stabilized?
No, I don't think so. It will get stabilized. But for the modern technology, we have to update ourselves, minimizing the people and making both the mechanical things.
Okay, so minimizing the manpower and increasing the machine power.
Machine power.
So you want to say that if we increase our machine power, we can expand our business.
Yes, of course.
Because I have seen a lot of entrepreneurs who were not able to expand their business because they have no laborers. But there are industries which is totally dependent on laborers also.
Laborers only.
There is no other go for their business.
Yes,
They are totally hooked, guys. Maybe in the hotel industry, these people can at least bring some instrument that can watch the plates and automatically from abroad countries and all.
Yes.
And which abroad countries have you ever been now?
I had been almost Singapore, Japan, Malaysia, Taiwan. Then almost because in 2004 I was in an organization called JCI. I was a zone president for that.
Very good.
It's like in the Road Reliance and a governor post is there, like that in this youth organization.
I see.
I was a zone president. At that time it was covering under Coorg, Mangalore, Udupi, North Kerala, 4 districts coming under me. At that time I got outstanding zone president of national level.
One by one it's all coming out now.
As per the contribution of seeing JCI India, they have given me one award also, PPF, that is given in Japan.
I see, fantastic.
That I mentioned.
So you had moved to all Asian countries.
Yeah, almost.
So in these Asian countries, you have different kind of things that is adopted in their hotel industry. Have you ever adopted any kind
Of course, this because of that vision only it has come up.
When I saw this color, I really felt like as if I am sitting in China or Thailand. Because these are the colors that is probably used in Asian countries like Thai and Singapore, Malaysia.
Yes,
so you have fetched those kind of things from them. And the hotel industry is a vast industry. You day by day you can make miracles and you can update yourself.
Yes.
Like even in the food industry, you have a lot of competitions. Now I can also see just opposite to you as a competitor. Will you take him as a competitor or will you never take him as a competitor?
No. Every success of business, you should have the competition.
Yes.
Otherwise, always running water only it will give the result. If the competition is there,
you will become more and more powerful.
More and more powerful. That if you say that if it is competition, that's 100-year-old restaurants.
I see, 100 years of old restaurant.
Yeah, that restaurant is a 100-year-old restaurant.
So you are the competitor for that.
That is 100-year-old restaurant.
And you are competing pretty well also. So actually they are suffering because of it. He is not suffering because of that. And as he said, competition is the only strength that will empower your strength and talent in you.
Yes.
And you are the real entrepreneur. Now I want this entrepreneur to give advice for the upcoming entrepreneurs. What should a beginning businessman should possess in them? What quality should they consider in their mind when they start a business?
If you start any small or big business, commitment first basics. You should have the commitment. You should love what you are doing. You should love that one. When you love, then only you will feel that I can do something wonders. If it is there, then time management. In this time. So certainly you should have the goal. In this time you have to finish the work. You have to finish it. You love the profession, do it. Surely you will succeed.
Love the profession, you do it with all your best effort, 100% you will succeed. The fantastic quote by Mr. Sukumara. Anyways, I think half an hour time is not enough to interview you anyway. And this half an hour has really flew like anything. And anyways, I thank you really for spending your time with us and sharing your valuable experience for our viewers. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kerala Visions. On behalf of Noran's Group, we are thankful to you all because you also given an opportunity to open out what Noran's Veg is doing. Thanks a lot for.
So in the episode, wasn't it very delicious then? We were having lots of delicious advice from Mr. Sukumara. Matrala, they have advice, and the powerful advice. And first, you love the job what you do. മനസ്സുകൊണ്ട് അതിൽ നിനക്ക് എന്തെങ്കിലും ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. അത് മാത്രമല്ലാതെ ടൈം മാനേജ്മെന്റ് ഇസ് very important for every human being. May you do a business or may you work, you have to maintain your time perfectly. Only then you can succeed in life. That is the mantra of him, I can say. And now runs veg restaurant, now runs non-veg restaurant, and all his catering services is really doing very well. And I give all our wishes to him for his future endeavors also. Anyways, I will meet you in the next episode. Until then, it's me, Smita, signing off. Bye.